Look at this look. Look at this look. Put together. What is live? And then to have the audacity to be going live in the middle of the day. Oh my God. Oh my God. Greetings and salutations to everyone who is joining. Today we're going to talk about being broke. Yes. Hi Phil. Today we're going to talk about being broke. Let me just see some hands in the chat. Anything in the chat? Oh, what did you say, Stephanie? Art Professor Vibe. Oh, it's my baby Rocky. Hi. Yes. So it's freezing in Hanover. You have to check the full fit because I am wearing these as well, plus the socks, right? Baby, it's frozen in Hanover. It is frozen in Hanover. We don't know what keep the place black from day. The pace black from there in a fall from there, but me can't complain because remember when Sahara dust did a beat we down and a trigger with allergy and they give we all of the symptoms of COVID. All of them something there and then we did a cuss, so me can't cuss about Sahara. And then when the place calm down, me come cuss now because God go look for me and say, but you cannot be pleased. And I don't want to imagine what type of weather a God would send when that God feels people cannot be pleased. So I am settling myself. I am wearing my very thick leggings. Right? Hi, Maylin. Me don't know what I want. Anyway, let me tell you something. On a stop shame car. On a shop stop shame car money done. Stop shame car money done. Stop make yourself feel bad because you're broke. Brokenness happen. The brokenness happens all the time, and people don't talk about the time them when them not have no money, and that make the whole way I walk up and down feel like say we one never have money yet. I'm tired. Me see something on Twitter one day, and trust me, if you have a friend who them look very anxious when them stand up at the cash register out for swipe them card, share the live here with them, right? Cause I want the crowd. Share the live here with your friend who always tell them say them for turn it down low, and not make them boss know what them a do. Because I want the crowd. Because I want everybody hear this in a real time. Everybody broke at some point in time. Some of we broke for longer than others. Some of we broke more regularly than others. But all of we run out of money at some point in time. I must say the little 3, 4, 5% of people who them come from generational wealth and them family have money put on for generations back. Right? Oh, never know the experience of being broke. Plenty people, once them pay them bills, them broke. Right? Once you pay your bills, you're broke. And that's why we make sure, say, we pay water, we pay light, and we pay internet, so we can sit down under our fan and talk to a friend them on WhatsApp, and iMessage, and wherever else we talk to a friend them because we're broke right now. Everybody go on like say them always have money and a foolishness. Me say something on Twitter today where somebody has say, like them know say them have money in a them account. Them run the card and the card decline. And them go out a door, them go at the ATM and them draw out the money and copy the stuff. And them must say, them wish the people would understand say cards decline for any number of reason. Now, like I tell you something. When you want to talk about card decline, I'm not going to call the name of the bank. But you see the bank there? That bank there do me something where you never believe. My card decline because my card used to link to one account, and the people them unlink it from the account there and go link it to one dormant account for no reason. The account not in a use. So when you go up, the card decline. The something can't go through because no money no in the account. And I say no money no in the account there. It just change it and link it to one dormant account, and then I go tell you say if you want refresh the account, you have to come turn up in a branch. If you refresh the account, for he start work again. Right? Them something that people do to you, right? So, sometimes you're broke and because the bank do foolishness. Next thing, I'm not going to call the name of the bank. If you know the name, you can say it. Some of the bank, them wait till one particular date in the month for send through all of the charge them. Say you mind your business and your account balance is X. And then out of the MAV, You just see one bag of money come out of your account, and when you look at backdated ATM withdrawal, a banking fees, a check how you did go deposit, all of them type of something, they no lie. They check them and collect the money up front, right? All of the something, them draws the whole of the money out of the account one time. So you feel like you have $25,000, the little five come off, and make I tell you something, baby, when you have budget, the difference between $20,000 and $25,000 is significant. Hi. See, Ashley said the such bank. Then you have the time now when you have standing order upon the bank. Right? Remember say you hype? Remember say you hype and you as an adult? And you set up standing order because you are paying insurance and you have the little debt where you try to settle off and you say you make the money go in your account. You make the money go in your account and then you have to take you out, You put standing order. So when you check your account before, because you are a responsible person, you check your account before you leave into the morning because you say I'm not going out there to embarrass myself. And then that is the day when we standing order, she just goes so whoop and name out the money out of your account. So you go there and you spend because you say, yeah man, I have money, but me standing there that she just swipe $15,000, $10,000, $1,000, how much dollar out of your account, and perhaps your account balance is much lower than you remember. Boom, card decline. Right? So there are many reasons that card decline. But like I tell you something. Sometimes you just not no money. You see right now? Nobody not can ask me for going away unless you are paying. Don't come ask me if I go anywhere unless you are paying, because I not have no money right now. I not have no money right now, so I'm not going anywhere. And I just that. Right? People run out of money all the time. Everybody go through a point where them have to sit down and just drink them Lasco and eat them cornflakes and just wallet. Everybody go through a time where them have to count up them pennies and them just have to buy one bread. And them just have to say, alright, what the cheapest thing we can buy for smear upon the bread? And if your parents live near you, just go to your parents' house, go near them. Because you not no money right now. Everybody when me know go through a stage where them are looking at them closets and the clothes them are wear out and the something them are look well washed out. All of the something them were black them are light black now, them grey. The black something them all look white, look like them are bleach, look like them are use Ida, look like them are use Fair and White, look like all of them are use Ambi and Nadinola, right? The something them all bleach out. And you can't buy no clothes right now because you not no money right now, right? You might not have the money because you buy house, car, land. You might not have the money because you pay off student loan. You might not have the money because I don't know what is the debt. What is the thing that you are trying to settle or you are trying to reach your saving goal? Some of we have a saving goal and we say, I want to save $100,000 this year. I not save nothing. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. When November come up now, you say backside, me want to save $100,000 this year. So are you that I try to save the $100,000? You that I try to save the $100,000 in the 2 months, you don't have no money for spend and nobody can get Christmas gift because you never plan your way properly. Right? And the next thing, sometimes you run out of money because you're not making enough money. And people go like, me hate little financial independence people there, but love come tired them look of foolishness about, oh, but you need to learn how to budget. Bitch, there is only so many ways you can split $100. There is only so many ways you can split $100. Oh, but you need to invest, and you need to invest in Forex, and then you need to put some to saving, and you need to give some to tithe so it can come back from God, and you need to give some to your family in country, and you need to give some to your friends and to your parents and whoever took care of you. And how much way me can split $100? How much way me can split $100? $100. How much way? Me can split $100. Sometimes you run out of money because you're not making enough money to cover the something them and you just not have no money right now. So you say because the whole of we shame, right? And the whole of we feel like me not have no money right now. And I could go even further than that. Me I record this on an iPhone and I not have no money right now. I have a car and I not have no money right now. I have 2 degrees and I don't have no money right now. My brown, people think I come from uptown and I not have no money right now. If you see me out the road, I will be walking like my can make patty. I will be walking like I am nice. I will be walking like I am mashing cockroach. Crutch, 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 crutch. I saw me a walk. I'm not on money right now. It does not diminish who I am. The fact that I don't have any money doesn't mean that I'm financially irresponsible. The fact that I don't have any money doesn't mean that I'm less than as a person. The fact that I don't have any money doesn't mean that I am desperate and I'm going to take anything that you offer to me. I'm not on money right now. I'm a second myself because I'm not on money right now. Okay? I'm tired of the foolishness. When I see people and the people them, you see the people them, like them have them BMW and the BMW run out of gas. And them say, watch them out, them hype. And them have BMW and can't buy gas. Yeah, because one time them used to have BMW money. Alright, now maybe them not have BMW money. But it not get bad enough for the people them say them a go sell them BMW, them a go and hold it. Yeah, one time them used to have BMW money. Right now, them not have BMW money. But it not reach far enough for the people them look upon them BMW and decide so them a go sell it. So them a go back, go and buy the $1,000 gas put in at the BMW. And when it run out of gas, them a go call them friend who drive the Corolla and say, yo, Bridget, you can lend me some money because of that them have right now. Them not have no money right now. Them have all of the trappings as well and them not have no money right now. Them own big house and it barely have furniture in there because them not have no money right now because money come and go. Sometime you have money, sometime you not have no money and adjust it that way for stop shame people for not no money and you have to stop shame yourself because with you not no money. Me have 2 degrees, my brown, me look like me come from uptown. The whole of the can't see my house look like in the background and make assumptions about where it look like. Me I record this on an iPhone and me not no money right now. Anything else? Yeah. Me tired. If you go to the place and your car decline, it decline. It decline. Now, if you go to the place and your car decline and you did rude to the cashier and the iPad, everybody, you deserve for them just ball it out. Right? Me humble myself. The nicest you'll ever see me is when I'm standing up at the cash register because I don't want the people them try to style me. But to be frank, if you go up there, your car decline, it decline. What happen? You're not the first Medicare who are going to decline and you're not the last Medicare who are decline. Oh, I'm going to deal with another one who I know say I'm going to show up. You saw the people them I call you and I tell you say you have debt. You have debt. So what? You think you're less than because you have debt? You see them, something them and a different name in your phone. Because you don't want nobody know. So debt collector call you. Debt collector call me. Yeah, me have a credit card where me mismanage grossly. Debt collector, they call me. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. So when the debt collector them call you, me know say it feel like it in your head side and it trigger all type of trigger. You feel like you is a failure as a person because how you reach a place where debt collector call you. Baby, the amount of people where you see walk up and down right now and them make Shein or Shane or whatever your name or Amazon a trend on Twitter right after Andrew announced say I go fly the gate. The whole of them have debt collector. Some of them have debt collector call them. It not diminish them. And stop that up there when you see people out there live them life. And you know, so them have debt. Watch them. And them have debt, you know. Them all the people, them credit card money. Me stand up back at her and me see her card decline, yeah. Because she never prioritized to spend $25,000 in at the supermarket at 20. She did figure spend because good to come off and enjoy her little self. Nothing wrong with you because you don't have money right now. Money come and go. If you talk to the people them in the past generation, talk to the people them with it have to live through the 70s and all of them something, them will tell you some story and make your toe curl, right? And if you talk to anybody in a Jamaica who at any point in time has tried to be an entrepreneur or start a business, them will tell you. If you talk to anybody who in them 50s, 60s, 70s right now, them will tell you. So making it through life is about, watch there. Can you imagine? Making it through life is about resilience and understanding, say money I go come and money I go. Right? Yeah, because sometimes when me there, me I hold my head and me I stress out myself. See my Malaya? Like she look upon me. Cause good I say, girl, you're not even whole money for owe money yet. Because the amount of money where you owe when you is just an individual is different. When you are a person who the trial run a business and you have business debt in your backside, right? You're not even own money yet for owe money yet. Right? Settle yourself. You're hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. You could be millions in debt. Right now, people can't even send credit come on your phone because why? Because you owe the people their money. Yeah. Because you take loan on your phone. So if somebody should have put little credit on your phone, it drop in a cavern. Why? Because you take a loan and put two-week plan on your phone that costs $800. So if somebody should have tried just shoot you a little $200 credit right now, the phone just goes yam that and dash that way. It happens. 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 Right? People are walking around millions of dollars in debt because they try to start a business, or because they went after a degree, or because they're with somebody who have a terrible credit rating and it come over upon them. Right? There are people right now who them have family member who dead from time and them cannot probate the will because them don't have the money. There have people who have land where them could have get, and because them cannot get the money for pay the transfer tax with the land, them cannot get the ownership of the land. You hear what I say? You have people who want to go look for job and them can't find the bus fare for go for the job interview, and them too shame for ask anybody for the money. You have people who in an abusive relationship and them can't left because them can't put together the 3 months where them are going to need. Just the 3 months buffer where them are going to need for make it them not have the money them right now. Money come and money goes. Money comes and it goes. You hear me? So please, do not allow people to shame you for being broke right now, and never you diminish yourself because you don't have no money right now. Because there are very few people in this life who are always going to have money, who are always going to have disposable income, who are always going to have enough money to meet all of their needs. There are very few. Most people, them are wallet and them are balance it and them are figure it out. And because everybody feel like them want to lie about it and everybody shame about it, me will come out here come take the shame for the whole round up. My broke. Now invite me nowhere else. Let's say I go pay a feed. Me and my degrees them sit down right here. We don't have no money right now. Boom. Yeah. Me, sometimes JPS come to me. Sometimes NWC come to me and I just have to go in on my account to go pay them right then immediately, else them they go cut off the water. Sometimes JPS come to me and I have to go hide in my room and pay the something using online banking and empty out my account and run go out there with the paper to them, go show them the paper for the man look for me and say, girl, you think me don't know what you do? Look on the date when the payment make. I'm going to let you off and not disconnect you. Why we do it? Why we do it? Yeah. JPS come to me. NWC come to me because I split my money in many different ways because I have many different things when I try to achieve, and sometimes that not the up at the top of my list of priorities. Sometimes I forget it. Sometimes the idea of releasing the money from my account brings up fears that I will never be able to replace it, and so instead of paying the bill on time even when the money is there, I hold on to the money. I'm going to say that again. Sometimes releasing the money from my account to pay the bill brings up fears that I will never be able to replace the money. And so I hold on to the money until the bill becomes overdue and the people them come to cut off my light because of the fear, the anxiety that the money is not going to come back. Till the people them come here and me have to talk to them and I have to go down at NWC and JPS and whatever, go make an arrangement. All of these things are things that everybody goes through as they're trying to make it through life. You're not alone. You're not a failure. You are not the worst person at managing money. Yes, there is probably some work that you need to do on your relationship with money, but you are not an awful person because you run out of money. You don't have enough money. Right? Me, Carla Moore, JPS come for cut off my light. Me, Carla Moore, NWC come for cut off my water. Sometimes the money in my account, sometimes the money do in my account. I'm tired for the whole I will walk up and down and go through the same thing and then have shame. And so may I say, I love you know. And I want to feel good in our self. And I want to understand. So some of the something where you make yourself feel terrible for, you don't need to do it because it's a part of the human condition. Most of us work and we don't charge properly for the work that we're doing, or we work jobs that don't pay us enough, or we've overcommitted, or we're carrying responsibility for other people in our family and our generations. A lot of us are in debt. A lot of us are ambitious and would like to own a house and own a car, and those things cost, and the money is not always going to be able to split. The cost of utilities gets higher and higher every time the US dollar changes, every time the price of fuel changes. All of these things go up and up and up, and you are just there trying to figure it out. And quite literally, what $10,000 could do last week, it cannot do this week. So you have to find $12,000, $13,000, $15,000. Why do you take the changes to the economy as a personal feeling? And yes, I understand that people, you know, we're going to talk about multiple streams of income and all of these types of things, and diversifying it and trying to, you know, have your money work for you and all of these types of things, and affirmations, and all of those things are great and you should consider them, but you are not always going to be able to keep up. These things are shifting. Some of us are not given to entrepreneurship. Some of us don't understand how to open up multiple income streams. Some of us have no desire to open up multiple income streams. We would just like to work for one place and be compensated properly, so that when we give you our labor, what we get in return can allow us to live our lives. We don't want to do 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Some people struggle with mental health issues. Some people have trauma pertaining to business and money, all of these types of things. Money come and money go. There's nothing wrong if you're broke. If you can't decline, you can't decline. Feel bad about it, but don't turn it into a story about the quality of human that you are. What is in your bank account does not determine the quality of human that you are. Now, hear me? Okay. That is all I came to say. That is it. That is all I came to say. There's nothing wrong with being broke. Happens to the best of us. If you see where you're making decisions that are pushing you into brokenness, please try to make new ones. Get support. There are a million financial advisors out there who are willing to advise you with the hope that you will open an account with their business. Please go and talk to them. At the very least, hear what they have to say. There are a lot of free courses that you can do on Coursera, all of them type of place there about how to manage money. Or there's probably people on IG right now launching businesses to tell you how to manage money. Please stop carrying this deep shame for going through things that the majority of people go through. You're not alone. You're not a failure. Brokenness happen to people, and until you broke out of it, at least hold your head high up there. Up there, down there, upstairs, downstairs, underneath the toilet. Wherever the broke you is located, hold your head high. Right? My scarf and I, and my fluffy shirt and I, love you, and we care about you, and now we are leaving you. All right? So, as always, take time with each other, most importantly. Take time with yourself. And if you are not doing so already, please go and follow Caribbean Life Coach, which is my life coaching page. And if you're looking for a life coach, please feel free to hit me up. All right. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bye-bye.